Kia ora, Tina Katua Kotua. We are celebrating a Maori language week. Today we are going to teach you 3 simple words that you can do with your kids. Let's see what's in my kidsy bag. First one is kiwi fruit. Kuha kiwi. Kuha kiwi. Kuha kiwi. The next one is banana, 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 banana. And the last word is aporu, 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 apple. This week, Maori theme is Kake Yatina